Video, Carly. Hey. We're from Mars. We can see up my nose.
Is Mohammed off school this week?
No, he called me today.
I know.
He's wanted to see me today.
That's what I was saying. Is he off out of school today?
No, he just doesn't have a lot of classes. Look at him. Live long and prosper. Look at my nose. I'm so sad my face looks like this.